how to turn off the default digital assistant app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Now in here, tap on choose default apps at the top. Then go down and tap on digital assistant app. Now normally the digital assistant app is set to Google. So here, if you want to turn it off, you select none and then tap on the back key. So tap on digital assistant app and select none. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.